Hello everyone, this is Adam with Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Pavoni Professional. I came into the shop because it didn't have any power. And that ended up being due to the power switch. You can see there's some heat damage here. And that just, typically tends to happen with just repeated heat cycling. All this stuff is right under the boiler and gets exposed to a lot of heat, and that can deteriorate the components prematurely. And sometimes it can cause a short, which there's a little bit of evidence of right here. Increased electrical resistance, might cause issues with like building up heat and things like that. So we replace the switch. Amp meter right here, and that'll turn orange when there's power flowing through. And as you can see, we have power. And also this light turns on, and shortly we will see the pressure build up. Alright, so we're back after a couple minutes. You can see here the pressure is now reaching about 1.2 bar, and very shortly you'll see this turn off as the pressure stat reaches its limit. And you see it right there. And then it's going to start going back down. There's a little bit of leak here at the steam valve. The customer said they'll deal with it. So here, we have good power. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching.